The light of Christmas is with you. Welcome to the 7th day of our Christmas Novena reflection. What is the theme that I would like to reflect on today? The light of gratitude. May I ask you, is there any reason for you to be grateful during this COVID-19 pandemic? What are those things and events in your life that you are grateful for? Who are those people in your life today whom you are grateful for? Our gospel is the Canticle of Mary, or popularly known as the Song Thanksgiving of the Blessed Mother, the Magnificat. She expressed this song after that joyful, momentous occasion of meeting with her cousin Elizabeth. After the confirmation of all those things that the angel Gabriel told her, Mary expressed her gratitude to God. For what reason? Number one, because God has fulfilled the promise, His promise to her and to the people of Israel. And God has come to them, God has come to us to free us and to save us. You know, gratitude is very much related to grace. That's why when we are grateful, we release the loveliness of God present in our hearts. The second one is gratitude is very much connected to the truth. Yes, because when we are grateful, we are true to ourselves and truthful in our words and our actions. What does it mean to be grateful? First, to be grateful is to magnify the wonderful things that God has done in our lives. You are familiar with magnifying glass. The purpose of the magnifying glass is to enlarge a small object. That's what we are doing. That's the power of gratitude. When we are grateful to God, we enlarge not our achievements, but the achievements of God for you, for me, and for all of us. Second one is gratitude is related to gift. Yes, to be grateful is to see all the things that we possess, all the things that we acquire. Everything is a gift. We are affirming that all that we have is a gift from God. You know, if we don't recognize or acknowledge the gift given to us, we will be ungrateful and unkind to ourselves and to others. Yes, ingratitude leads us to complaining, grumbling, discontentment, pride, and presumption. But gratitude is an homage of the heart which leads us to graciousness, kindness, and generosity. And last, number 3, to be grateful is to share what we have to others. Yes, to be grateful is to be generous. To be generous in sharing our gifts to others. You know, I like this reflection of Bishop Bacani when he said, all that we have is not all mine to keep, but all mine to share. Can you say to yourself, I am blessed to share. I am loved to care. I am gifted to give. God bless you.